Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We got tagged to join into this question and answer. Yes, we were tagged by the channel Unboxing with Arlene. Hi Arlene, how are you today? And hello to everybody else watching. So Arlene got tagged by someone, and then Arlene tagged me. So we're going to do these questions, and then I'm going to tag a few other people. And if whomever I tag, if you've got time to participate, great. If not, I understand, because we all have busy schedules. So here we go. The questions all pertain to the concept of how often do you? So, how often do you wash your sheets? I tend to wash my sheets every, 1 to 2 weeks, because I might put on the extra pair of sheets and then wash both sets together. I don't wash my sheets because I don't sleep with sheets. How often do you mop your floor? I don't mop. I Swiffer dust. Me too. How often do you wash out your animal's water bowl? Well, I don't have any animals. I didn't say you were an animal. That's good. I like to drink from a glass or a cup. So we wash out her glass or cup every day. How often do you clean your toilet? I clean my toilets once a week, or more often if needed. I use a litter box. How often do you clean your shower? I don't like to shower. I'd rather roll in the sand. How often do you clean your fridge? Define clean. If we're talking pull everything out, scrub it down, that's once about a year for me. Do I, on a weekly basis, go through and get rid of anything that might be past its prime? Yes, on a weekly basis, I clean it out. How often do you vacuum your car? We plead the fifth on that one. Yeah. Good question. Vacuum my car. Yeah. How often do you wash your car? My car spends most of its day in the garage, so it really doesn't get much of a bath. How often do you dust your house? I would say I give some things a light dusting every week, and some other things get a bigger dusting maybe once a month. How often do you do laundry? Every 2 to 3 weeks is just me and Jeff. I don't need to do laundry. Lucky you. Every 2 to 3 weeks, depending in some ways on the time of year. I think in the summertime, I wind up doing more laundry than in the wintertime. Yeah. How often do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth twice a day. I don't brush per se, but I eat foods that help to clean my teeth. And I have been known to try a little mouthwash. We're having fun with this one, in case you haven't noticed. How often do you wash your hair? I don't like to take a bath. I'd rather roll in the sand and maybe use an occasional dry shampoo. I tend to wash my hair once a week, and then maybe once a week a little bit of a dry shampoo. If it's in the summertime where maybe I'm out and about getting a little more, well, hot and sweaty, then maybe I'll wash twice a week. Or if we go somewhere and I go swimming, yes, would wash my hair after that. How often do you shave your legs? I don't shave my legs. I like my natural fur. At the risk of TMI, during the wintertime, rarely. How often do you wash your windows? I tend to dust the inside of my windows more than I wash them. And as for the outside, I'm in a third floor condo, so I can't wash the outside of my windows. I'm at the mercy of the homeowners association, and they don't wash the windows very often. And how often do you cut your hair? I get my hair trimmed, I guess, once in a while, but I like my fur to grow long and fluffy. Haircut. I guess I trim and cut my own hair, so it's kind of whenever the mood strikes, but I'd say maybe twice a year, maybe 3 times a year. So that was our take on the how often do you list of questions. I'm going to tag some people in the description box down below. And like I said, if you've got time, great. If not, that's okay. Everyone has a busy schedule. If I didn't tag you and you want to participate, please do. And tag us so we know that you joined the train on this one. If you haven't done so already, check out Arlene's channel. She has fun stuff over there. And subscribe if you would like to my channel. We have fun adventures over here. And we do hope to see you in another video. Thank you for watching. How often do you watch one of our videos? There's a good question. I hope it's often. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.